I'll come at the end so I know what we can, get on with during the week. Last thing is that I've ordered some of these because Corbin's just been so enjoying being able to read them. So I've got to. You have so. So I've ordered a few more.
Great
ones. Yeah.
Great. Can I recommend something else? I'm sure you've got lots of stuff to be going on with, but also from the same series, from the same guy, Miles Kelly, he also does specific animal ones. So there's I am a lizard, I am a shark, I am a monkey. And what's good about them is that they've got stickers in the beginning.
Yep.
And really, really good knowledge building stuff. So that's
wonderful.
The Miles Kelly series is absolutely amazing, and the kids are just eating them up.
Oh, when I went onto the website and stuff, I was like, okay, I could probably spend a couple of hundred on here in one go.
Yes, eBay is a really good bet. Yeah. I scour eBay all the time. Actually, I shouldn't tell everyone that because now you'll just be buying all my cheap books. No,
eBay that's actually. I actually got these from eBay. It's a box of, 8 or 10 of them, and it was only sort of $30 or something, whereas everywhere else it seemed to be about $60.
Yeah, eBay is awesome. And when you're done with them, and I know they've got to go through 2 other ones, you can resell them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, exactly. All right, I'll leave you to it.
All right, Corbin.
I'm Quacky Boy. Quacky Boy. Quacky Boy.
On your whiteboard, 1, 2, 3, go. Yep, write the numbers 1, 2, 3. Neatly, because you got to show me. You want to redo that? All right, here we go. Word number 1, space.
SPACE.
Oh, whoa. That's very fast. All right, that was brilliant. Next word, planet.
PLANIT.
Swap the I for an E and you've nailed it. Take away the I, put in an E, and you've smashed that one out of the ballpark.
Done.
Last one, spotty. Do you know how we were talking about the sun being spotty?
Done.
Go.
SPOTE.
Cool.
Why?
And that's our lesson for today. So let's go into your exercise book. Have you got your exercise book there that you write all your sentences on? We're gonna.
No, I have whiteboard. I have a whiteboard.
Righto, but you're going to need the paper because that's the permanent thing. That's where we do our work that you can come back to. So do you know where that is? Where you've written all your little sentences?
No, my mum's.
Aha. Okay, I did mean to ask your mum if she had all that in front of you. You're going to need to get it because that's the thing that we're going to be working on. At the top of the page, what I'd like you to do is write the letter Y.
Why?
Why not? Ah, ha, 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 ha. Did you hear my joke? All right.
Yeah.
Good joke, wasn't it? You don't have to say
maybe.
That's very diplomatic of you saying maybe. All right, so we've got the letter Y. The letter Y comes in to words at the end to make an E sound. Okay, what does the letter Y do?
Make an E sound.
Yeah. Where in words? What part of words?
E or I sound at the end of words.
End. So when you've got an E at the end of a word, you can't use the letter E. Why not, Corbin? Why can't you
It
just...
just doesn't work.
What's that? Say it again.
Just doesn't work. It just doesn't work.
I'll tell you a bit more. It's a bit more scientific than that. The sound that E makes at the end of a word is this. Do you want to hear it again? There it is. E doesn't make a sound at the end of a word. And in fact, your dog could probably tell you this rule.
No, he couldn't.
Yeah, he can. My dog can. Look, I'm going to ask him now. You ready?
He
Finn.
can.
Finn.
My
Finn, what does E say at the end of a word? Did you hear that? That's right, because it doesn't say anything. So your homework is to get your dog to do this rule as well. What's your dog's name?
I think that's almost impossible. It's almost impossible for my dog.
What's your dog's name?
Levi.
Levi. So you've got to go, Levi, what does E say at the end of a word? And if Levi barks, he got it wrong.
Well, then he's probably going to get it wrong.
But if he doesn't say anything, then he got it right. It's the only rule that dogs know. E doesn't make, E doesn't make a sound. So when you have an E sound, you've got to use what letter?
Why?
Why? Exactly. So we are going to...
Why? Why?
We are going to do all of the sounds in the word spotty. First sound.
P-O-T-E.
Good. E. Spot. E. Tell me the letters.
S L P P
Mhm.
O
Good.
E.
Yep. T. Now,
What?
that gives us our base spot. That gives us our base spot. Yep. I know it's Y. If we want to turn it into spotty though, when you add a Y, you got to double the T. So there are two things to remember with this word. So have you got it in your memory? Because I'm taking it away. Guess what you have to do?
Write it.
Here it goes. Write it down. Don't take too long or you'll forget it.
S-P-O-T-T-Y.
Oh my goodness, that was incredible. All right, we're going to get another word that ends with the sound E. Are you ready? It's the word sorry. If you apologize to somebody, you say sorry. Let's do the sounds in sorry. First sound.
Oh.
Very good. Tell me the letters.
S-O-R.
Guess what?
Why?
It's a double. It's another double. Now we've got sorry. Is it in your memory? Because guess what I'm going to do? Gone.
I'm going to take it away. Huh?
Yeah, it's gone. Write it down.
Done.
What you got?
S-O-R-R-E. But instead of
S-O-R-R.
S-O-R-R-Y.
You were tricking me. That's really good. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Brilliant work. So you've got to practice those words two ways. First for spelling, then for reading. That's your homework. Sorry and spotty, they have very, very similar structure. All right. So you know I'm recording this, right? So all those facial expressions and everything like that are gonna be there forever. Cool. Just as long as you know. All right. Now, You have done which star keeps us warm. Go into your space book now. And then I'm thinking you read this one for homework. Was it this one? What one was it? Show me the page you read for homework.
I read. Actually, yeah, I did read that one.
You read this one for homework? Okay, so open it up to that page. That's page 4. And what is the first question on page 4?
Is
Pardon?
that are safe on the planet Sun?
I think we're looking at a different page. Hang on.
No one.
Page 4
Yeah,
should look like
yeah,
this.
I'm on page 4. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
So read this bit, the first question. It
Oh.
always starts with a question. Read the first question.
Is there?
This word is
Is-
Earth. So that's the planet that we live on.
Is Earth the only planet next the
Next.
Sun?
Next. It goes ia. What word?
Near the Sun.
Cool. Ask the question again.
Is Earth the only planet near the Sun?
Okay, I'll read the next bit. Follow along, because then you've got to read the bit after. Ready? There are 7 other planets near the Sun.
There are 7 other planets near the Sun.
Yeah, but you have to read the next bit. Do you know where we are? Okay, so we are now reading this. So I've said there are 7 other planets near the Sun. This is Mercury.
Mercury and Venus.
Do all the sounds. Don't go all the way through. Do all the sounds. You'll get it.
Venus.
Yeah. Do you know a planet that sounds a bit like that?
What?
Turn the
Venus.
Yes, I knew you get it. Mercury and Venus
Are near to the Sun.
What word?
Then the Earth is.
Cool. My turn. Follow along with your finger so you don't lose your place, because then it will be you again. The other planets are further away. Your turn.
The other planets are further away.
That was my bit.
All the planets move around the Sun in hug.
The E will be making the U say you and the G say j. Huge. What word?
Huge.
Oh.
Huge.
And it goes. I'll give you the 2 syllables. Ready?
Crowley's.
Circles. What word?
Circles.
Good. All the planets move around the Sun in huge circles. The Sun and its family of planets is called the, you read it.
The solar system.
Oh, well, aren't you good? That was brilliant. Now let's read all the names of the planets. You ready?
Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, the Moon, Earth, Venus, Mars, the Sun.
Wait, Venus, what's after Venus? It goes Mercury, what word?
Mercury.
Good, and then?
The Sun.
That was amazing reading. Now, let's answer the question. Is the Earth the only planet near the Sun, yes or no?
No.
No. How many other planets are there near the Sun?
There are, well, on this grid it says 2.
Yes, there are 2 in between Earth and the Sun. But what they say is the planets that are near the Sun is called the solar system. And how many planets in the solar system?
7.
Yeah, clever boy. That's exactly right. So what are we going to write about? Let's answer the question. Is the Earth the only planet near the Sun? And the answer is the Earth is not the only planet near the Sun. Write it down.
So no.
So
No.
in your exercise book, after your last beautiful sentence about space, right, the Earth is not the only planet near the Sun. And you've got all the words in your book, except for the word not, which I know you can spell.
N-O-T.
Exactly. So go ahead and write that sentence, and when you've written it and shown me, you can go. Do you know what you have to write? Okay, I'll dictate it to you. Ready? The Earth, and use your book for the spelling of Earth because it's right there.
The Earth.
Is not.
Not.
The only, and use your book for the spelling of only.
The Earth is not the only
Planet.
the planet
Yep, the Earth is not the only planet near the Sun.
near the done.
Okay, show me. The Earth, where are we? The Earth is not the only planet near the Sun. Cool. Capital E for Earth and an A after it. Once you fix that up, it's time to go.
Done.
Brilliant. All right. If you want to get your mum back, I will just let her know about the homework.